This is still only this another day. So, okay, this is on my life. This is about how great this idea. This is long like your scholar. I guess I will. This is truly humorous. Delicious. So, how could that be? Yeehaw! What, you come on. Hey, yo, come here, bro. Hey, you going to Mr. Tronimus? I can just sing a tune. Ta-da! Wow! It's me, Bobcat the Bobcat. Thank you, that bro with that. Thank you very much. It's just saying happening. I just tell you, bro. You can see it, though, bro, is soulless. Buggle, please. What is this kind of bro with chance bro 1% down bro with this? What was that bro with this still just couldn't do anything when Smillers? Isn't this great though our wrong idea? Why would this kind of bro it's just Bobcat Cheeto though you when this is going to train bro with this because you bro with everything I just kind of say after it's only bro with just going to really get direction that I promise. I don't always understand though bro right here the you get out just going on like a little paper till you just stir bros. Well, have you been over home with us? It's got the first time on over home versus always. I tell you what, you have been into it, bro. You must be a bro. Well, what does that mean, though, bro? Fin, this is about you do. Okay, this could be better than you have for this science right now. Well, I know what happened as this saying, bro, kind of bro saying that. He did the genius plan, though, bro saying. Okay, I think it's time that you guys all bath. You get a you get the soap, you get the strawman, the promise, and this is gonna eggs and the ketchup and the corn dog. If it's all like that prensa you don't run with this you try promise you prensa you don't corn pro. You get a big gone rum and say you don't promise. Hey, come on, Tooks, come on, please, come on now. Whoa, hey, come on, don't be afraid when they shy. Tooks, you had to overthrow a shower. Now, I gotcha! Whoa, hey, come back here. Why are you just gonna, you gonna need to shower? Ah! Whoa, just, you know, I'll, I'll take no all that. Well, you know, what? Okay. Okay, take that one. Well, what are you doing? Why are you just going to a chance all you bro wants to? Well, it's not the way bro with that say you try Connie there. You don't understand the way bro is just gonna spell it bro. Okay. Why you bro won this chance of what this bro what could I say? It's not why you for months just couldn't say it joke bro. You gotta kind about that. This is about this is trying to enjoy if I just if I you won't the necessary does just spelling. Okay. Why does what can I say? I thought you just spell me I do from when I get a price sign dry. Okay. Get this bro handy. So what did I kinda eat there probably honey? I just got corporate scientists. That's great. You can eat your you can eat your purpose just kind of by own sauce. Wow, there, job, bro. Right, Chase? Right, this is saying you try per warmer. Yeah, I was thinking about you. Oh, yeah, that's just saying you did burn it. Well, get this, you do. Promise the cinema do coming from. This is it, bro. This is going to probably say. This is about per life. Well, I guess you do, bro. Nah, nah. I think it'll come on in now. You're gonna have to in front with this is a train by your from rumbling head. I can just show you something. But I thought there was a room say Jordan. No, no. You know whatever I have while you did this thing little bird just appeared. You get John. You had to you get to stop at your ring to say you get up your those kind of guttural parents. Who was his my parents? So why you do probably just think about free you will's just about when you get it your problem. You had to it, remember? It's all like get prime you know you have to watch this. Try me get warper rainbow or slandest. Why you do probably just there? You got bro. Remember that noise bro would say you try home and just try you bro worth all with that bro winning. Well, what is those kind of bro so said no? Okay, watch this again problem with this, eh? Let's do a bro right there. You get this triangle around it. Ta-da! Isn't that better talking about made this string a merital gourmet? Okay, about let me guess. What oh I gonna have to bro now. Okay. Think about what they say you too much of this. Well, maybe it's just try it out, bro, with this kind of spawning hot dog bro with the silvers. You pray on with this, you bro was say bro, it's just kind of pray. Yeah, but it's just hey God, you could be bro one mail to say you to pro say it your praise say anywhere pro say tra. You could have bro Sam. You know, but do it halfway into this is gonna bro, what's this corner bro with the only pair that you bro sell trainings. Alright, please, please, I just gonna have to say bro was say. Me asking this something we could do bro was super. I'm not civil. I'm not doing bro. Why does this study go on with this funny bro was he got bro just but yeah it's right here the bro was a study bro go back here bro world phone this about you. Yeah. Hi bro was saying no, come on now, you go there, bro, John. You go, come on, John, get out of here, bro. Oh, howdy, bird. This is a great day, bro. Come on, John, I get up and show you, bro. Well, I guess I could bro, one say it, John, pro sell this. Well, because I am bro, just am praying. I think that's all you, bro. Maybe I'm just gonna try you, bro. So I could bro, pray that you to risk saying to work out with this stomach, can I? You get up, bro, with your shit, though, you promote Sipper, bro. Who was Sipper, bro? Yes, I put your soul in that door, bro, with the. Well, so I guess I don't Romans do anything interesting. Hey, look! It's just, yeah, Hatter's house. Yeah, bro. You should come in with me out to our purse. Yeah, of course. Watching the little step. Watching the little step. Yeah, of course I am. Wow. Now that was great, though, you bro. It was good, though, bro. Yeah. Hey, Heather. Are you just on your camera, Joe? Bro, just bro, will you please? Whoa, this is good. A great idea. Hey, God, bro, what's this? A jump me an hour? The job, bro, was hey, come on, well, I guess that's why you had it. Oh, here you are. What are you doing? Gonna say that? What have you been? Where have you been? Yeah, I would say funny, hon. Oh, come on now. It's all right. It must be for what side it is. Oh, this great idea. Hey, God. March here. Look at all that guy say at your point. Wow, that time of the season. Oh, come on. Look, come on, season. No purpose. I thought I tea tops. I can't cups. No thank you. Oh, I can't have one now, bro. Almost is how you bro. I don't want to do teacups in it. I like coffee. Oh yeah, do you right? Do you? I can't up first. So Trinity is funny on that. Oh, this is kind of great idea. You're gonna come on in. Oh yeah, like good night job, boy. All right, that's our done you bro. One job. That should do it. Don't get others. Wow. Well, we owner is all you jump on with so I don't own it. Oh, What about the you know have the teacups? Eh? I like the teacups. Yeah, of course I am at that. Like just trying to door funny out that's it. When he got a purpose on the funny out the ornaments, honey. So we had to bro, we can do this about your door with solars. Just so you ever run over your driver, I would like you to tell you brother. I can have a point. So, what do you said though your bro was your bro? It's just gonna have to bro. It's I say, what's it say to it? How you are bro when the chance of you to promise it? Well, I just gonna promise you bro. I'm gonna say it to run source. What just get over? A murder, Bowser. Okay, why should we bro when just go over and say it to you bro? I got a my day for you just getting a coffee cup at your bro with this bro Johnny. But your bro. Well, so I guess your bro when this you guys probably say owner or for that say the owner. Why you just try it bro owner gonna just you go try that makes a bro owner was to say hat to it for a son it just please thank you. You're gonna try to say bro was say right here. But Chase, this could be very wrong. Lord was saying how do I probably say it to bring it over the city. Yeah, they got probably say it to he's super frail just couldn't at the throne of the silver throne. Oh wow, ow, 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 ow.